Hi, are you looking to send money abroad in a fast and easy way? Wise app is best for you. I will explain you why. I will also tell you about the Revolut app, which app is better for you. Let's get into the video and let's get started. It's been more than 1 year since I've created the TransferWise app. Now it is called Wise app. The UI is much more upgraded and better, user friendly. Login or register, I have the account, so I'm logging in. So you can get a Wise tag, a QR code, which is helpful to send and receive money. There are more convenient way to send and receive money also. So this is the send option. I will be coming into more details. I will show you how to send money to India. And this is the add button. You can add money into your Wise wallet and request. You can request money from the people who are in your recipient, or if you can add their email ID if they are on the Wise app, or you can directly request money with an SMS or an email. So this is what we get in the top. Going down, we can send the recent transaction which I have done. Coming down, you can see you can add this virtual card to your Google Pay wallet, and we can see the trend. It is very helpful when you're sending money to a different currency. We can track like which is the best time to send the money. Coming down, there are like more options to schedule transfer if you are interested in charity. Or in the bottom, you can see it is divided into sections. So this is the card detail. This is a virtual card. We get a manual card also with €7. This is the recipient section. You can see all the recipients on your contact and who all you have sent money. I've been using the Wise app for like more than 2 years now. I'm very happy with it. The exchange rate is amazing. In the payment section, we get more options here to send and receive. So let me show you how to send money to India. So I'm sending €700 to my Indian account. So you can see the transaction here. You can select the type: fast, easy, or low cost. I'm setting the low cost to get a better rate. It will take a little bit more time, but it is easier, like we get a low cost. So then in the bottom, you see that if you cancel this transaction, when you're on the transaction, if you cancel that, you will pay high fee afterwards. So do the transaction at once. So select what's the purpose. You can select anything which is relevant. It doesn't matter. After that, select the Google Pay option. So it is directly disconnected to my Google Pay. Continue and pay €700. That's it, it's done. So this is how easy it is. So there are more features like there is a mid exchange rate, best mid exchange rate, low fees, high speed, friendly UX, more than 160 country we can send using the Wise app. On the home page, if you see on the open section, there's a balance and a jar. Jar is like a piggy bank. If you can save up money to do something. In the privacy and security, you can use your Face ID to unlock. Two-step verification, all those things Wise is providing. Coming to the Revolut app. Revolut app is like a virtual bank account. Both are fintech apps. Both are good. So each app has different purpose. Wise is best for sending money abroad. Revolut is like a virtual bank account which you can set up. It has all the features. I think the features and the app user interface is much more user friendly than a banking app. If you use an Irish banking app, there are no much features, but here you get a lot of features. Revolut is the best fintech virtual bank account which we can get. You can trade in crypto also. You can see in the bottom all the sections. So it's very easy to navigate. It's very user friendly, and you can request for a loan also in the Revolut app. So it is a user friendly app which I was using when I came to Ireland. At the first, I was finding it very difficult to set up a bank account, a virtual pocket. They both have a good rating on Trustpilot. So by comparing the transaction, like to send money abroad, Wise is a winner here. You can pause this and read each comparison. I hope this video was useful for you. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to download the app, the link is in the description. Until next time, peace out.